So I will repeat, whenever you are making goal stand for. G stand for golden, O stand for objective, A stand for achievement, S stand for advancement, and G stand for life. Legally, L stand for legally and lawfully. Whenever you are making the goal, you should have golden objective. Objective that should be achieved legally, loyally in your life. And whenever you are making the goal, so it should be a nine dimension, or it should have nine pillars. One is your physical, physical. Then we have M that stand for your mental. Then we have double F. One stand for financial, another stand for family. Then we have social. Then we have spiritual. Then we have philanthropy. Then we have political, and then we have investment. Thanks for listening me and watching me. Please share my videos with your friends, colleagues, and with uh, community in which you are living. That maximum friends can benefit from that. Thanks a lot for supporting me.